In today's video, I'm going to teach you Guide with Squarespace and account squarespace.com. By the end, you'll know exactly how to get from the main Squarespace site into your account dashboard, open your website, and update the footer navigation by adding a new link using the Page Link option. Start on the Squarespace Create Your Website page. This is the official starting point where you can sign into your existing account or create a new one if you're just getting started. Once you're signed in, you'll land on the area where Squarespace guides you into your workspace. From there, click Account Dashboard. The dashboard is your central hub. It lists your sites, subscriptions, and key shortcuts, and it's the fastest way to move from account-level controls into a specific website you want to work on. Inside the dashboard, click Website. You'll see your available sites. Choose the one you want to edit. This opens the configuration view for that site, so you can access design and content tools without digging through extra menus. Next, click your website to open it, and then click Edit. This takes you into the live site editor, where changes are visual and immediate. You'll see editable regions on hover, along with layout handles and section controls. If you're new to this screen, take a second to notice the icons and the Done button area so you know how to confirm changes when you finish. At the top of the page, click Edit Site Header. This is where global navigation, your logo, and announcement bars usually live. Even if you're not changing the header now, it's helpful to see how header and footer elements are structured similarly across your site. Now, scroll to the bottom and click Edit Site Footer. The footer is a global section that appears on most pages, which makes it perfect for utility links like contact, privacy, terms, and quick access to key pages. Inside the footer, click Add Block. Blocks are the building pieces for content, and you can place them side by side or stack them. For a simple navigation item, you can use a text, button, or navigation-style block. Anything that supports linking and aligns with your design. Type in the link text. Keep it short, clear, and descriptive, so visitors instantly know where it leads. Consistent capitalization and wording help your site feel polished and accessible. Finally, open the link settings and choose Page Link. This connects the text to an internal page on your site, ensuring it updates correctly if the page URL changes. You can reorder the link within the footer layout to match your preferred hierarchy and spacing. Once you're satisfied, review the page on desktop and mobile to confirm spacing and readability. Your updated footer navigation is now live site-wide.